Okay, so my Home Chef order just came in for the week. I wanted to show you guys what I got. Steak strip marsala risotto, which I've never cooked risotto before, so I'm excited to try that. Chicken chimichangas and steak with rosemary cream. And here are what the recipes look like. It comes like hole punched already for you to put in your binder. These are the chicken chimichangas, and ooh, that is the steak with rosemary cream. They have so many different options. Home Chef has offered to sponsor this video, so thank you so much to Home Chef. And I do have a discount if you would like to sign up and get $30 off your first order. I'm gonna leave that down in the description box below, but I just wanted to show you guys what came. I love Home Chef because super easy recipes, step by step it tells you. It's not a lot of crazy ingredients. It's all things that like my kids and my family will eat, that I feel like are easy to cook, and they have so many different meal options. And if you have like food restrictions, they have just a ton of different things you can either have for lunches or for dinners. And the quality of the meats, which is really important to me, but like the last time I had a steak from them, it was the most delicious steak. Everything comes like pre-packaged like this and really easy for you to just pull this out. It comes in 2 servings per package, so you can customize based on the size of your family or who you're going to be cooking for. Throughout this vlog, I'll kind of show you some of these meals after I cook them, but if you are interested in Home Chef, go ahead and click the link down below. Don't forget to use that code so that you can end up getting $30 off your first order. That's an awesome code because even if you want to cancel but you want to try it, you can see the caliber of the food with just trying like maybe 1 or 2 meals using that code, depending on how you set up your order with portion sizes, and just kind of see what they have to offer. The website is super easy to use, and like I said, I've really loved every single thing that I have cooked. So I will show you, like I said, throughout the week me cooking these particular meals, but I wanted to just show you the picture first so you can see what it was supposed to look like. Okay, family opinions. Husband, what'd you just tell me about the meat?
The quality of the meat is really good. The steaks are always tender. Very fresh tasting.
The steaks from here are always really good.
Okay, girls, and you like this meal?
The peas are really good. So are the mashed potatoes.
These are the only peas I've ever liked.
Are they really? You don't usually like peas?
I'm the picky kid, so you should need my opinion.
Okay, what's your opinion, girl?
So, I think peas are generally your okay vegetable. And also the steak is always really good, but since I'm the picky kid, I hate the pepper. I do not like pepper squat.
Pepper on the steak.
The original like full thing is really good. I really like it, and the mashed potatoes are delish.
Okay, what's your opinion?
I really like it because it's really cooked, and I like all the steaks that we eat. And I like this mashed potatoes because...
You like the meals that we get from Home Chef? They're always really good.
Especially the steak ones.
Straight from the screet. Has anyone ever tried these soft frosted sugar cookies? My friend got them for the girls. This is how much I ate of them. I'm trying to be a good pony. But they were from Kroger. And then in my last video, a ton of you guys asked me about these. These are from Rubbermaid, and I use them for like to keep my vegetables fresh. So they usually have like a green tray that goes in the bottom. I just took that out for the carrots, but it keeps your vegetables fresh for a really, really long time. I highly recommend them. I got mine at Target. And then these were a new purchase. These are automatic. I got these off of Amazon. Automatic for salt and pepper. Boom. So I'm really excited about those because I need something that's easy for me to cook with when I'm putting the salt and pepper. I hate having to grind it. Okay, I got this from Sephora. This, if you have not tried the Laneige Slip Sleeping Mask, this is my favorite lip sleeping mask. It comes in, I think, berry, sour apple, grapefruit, and what's the other one? Vanilla. The big one is the one that I use all the time, and then these are like the vanilla, apple, and grapefruit are the flavors, are kinds I haven't tried yet, but I love this sleeping mask so much. So those little ones are fun to try in different types of flavors, but the berry one is probably my favorite by far. But yeah, this is a deal for $28, and I think that's like, you would pay $20 for just the big one, but for $28, I think you get the whole thing. So it's a really great gift. Like, this would be a good stocking stuffer as well. It's called Dream and Glow. Okay, so I'm updating from my last vlog how I ended up fixing, since this goes up high, how I ended up fixing this. I just kind of stacked pumpkins on each side, and then I put like, I have 3 anthropology candles in there, and then I just did like this old window with a wreath. That's as good as it gets. I said wreath.
You said
No, I did. Correct. Okay, I talked about this on Instagram one time, but I wanted to show this. This is one of my favorite things. It's the cut and seal from Pampered Chef. So I just like lay all of my sandwiches out on the counter for the week. So, you know, it's 3 sandwiches, 5 days a week. And then I just pop this on the bread, and you press it down, and it makes this like little Uncrustable. And then we put them in little like Ziploc bags, frozen ones for today. But yeah, so if you want to make, you don't have to do peanut butter and jelly. If your kids don't like peanut butter and jelly, you can do other things. And I have one kid who likes strawberry jelly, so we have to write an S. Yeah, you go ahead and grab that. Go ahead and get that. Okay, I'm gonna show one, I think, how I'm gonna make it. Boom, put the bread on. Push it on, you push it down. Spin it around a lot. The only problem is you do get wasted bread. I just told my husband, if you're someone like if you're someone who is like wastelesswives.com, you can make croutons with the extra bread, but I'm not doing that today. I'm wasting the bread. So don't hate. Did I say it?
Yeah, you did. You said you freeze them.
I don't think I said it. Just in case I didn't say it, I put them in the freezer. He thinks I said it.
You did.
But I don't think I did. So just in case I didn't say, you put them in the freezer and then you can pull them out. And once they put them in their like lunchbox, they defrost by the time it's time for lunch. And I definitely didn't say that.
You didn't say that part, but you said you freeze them.
I didn't.
Okay.
Okay, we can hear you chewing, eating the crust in the background, sir. Somebody cooked, and it wasn't me. So I was gone, and look what my husband did. Honey, how does it feel?
It feels like this might be a train wreck, but hopefully. I've been on the phone.
Okay, but how was following the directions?
Well, that's fine. It's
Home
just,
Chef.
It's just.
That's the point, though. We're showing the peeps that even the husband can do it. I'm so proud of you.
Well, Jonathan called, and I've been on the phone with him too.
Oh, okay, cool story. Well, I'm super glad. I'm like a proud pony right now.
You're showing me probably not doing these steps correctly.
No, I'm not. Look at this. It's chicken chimichangas, and they look super chimichanga'd.
All right. I need to put those in the oven.
Okay. Oh, you need to put them in the oven? You sound like such a sweet little sexy boy cooking. Okay. I wanted to show you guys. So I painted my nails. I bought nails at the store, and then I painted them. It's a color from one of the Essie gel polish colors. I will leave it in the description box below, but I really like the way it came out. Okay, I wanted to try and show these shoes. I showed them in a fall haul, but they are from Target. They are so cute to me, these little flats. I like them a lot. I probably should cuff my jeans. What? I'm not stylish, you guys, but I try. I really, really like these. They're super duper comfortable, and I like to wear a lot of black tops, so this just kind of like dresses it up. Hey guys, every time I vlog, I try and sit down and have at least like one little talking point that I like to have in there, so it's not just me like showing you guys things throughout the week. I'm not quite sure how to structure these vlogs. As you know, I'm sort of like new to the whole vlogging, but since I have been working with Home Chef and I love it so much, I just wanted to make sure that when I did these videos partnered with them, that there was more to it than just cooking. That was the feedback that I got last time. You guys wanted to see more of my life, so I'm going to try and do like, you know, bits of like decorating, some bits of other things. I didn't leave the house very much this week that I could film, which I've been filming this vlog for like 2 weeks now, but anyways, I just wanted to sit down. I did have a few makeup products that I wanted to share. I haven't had a chance to share them in some of my other videos. So I'm like, you know what, I'll sit down during this. And I know that I've probably talked a little bit more about my Home Chef, and I've really been loving it. If you guys saw in there, I included the footage of my husband. I was running really late. And running home really late, and I even said to him, I was like, I really want to cook this Home Chef meal tonight. That's what I had prepared ready for dinner. I was like, if you want to try and do it, I'd love to see if it's easy enough for you to follow, because my husband does not cook. So it's not like he's like a doofus in the kitchen, but he doesn't cook very much. So he followed it. The only thing is that he didn't realize that there were 4 serving packets, so he only cooked 2 servings of the chimichangas, and then he used all the chicken in those 2 servings. So I think it was supposed to have like double the sauce in the chicken, double the cheese for the amount of chicken that he used in 2 chimichangas. But besides that, it was like, I was so happy to come home to a home cooked meal, like a meal, and it was easy, he said, for him to follow the directions, which I love. But anyways, I wanted to show you guys some of these blushes from L'Oreal. These are the Paradise Enchanted Scented Blush Collection, and they sent me 4 shades. This one is in Fantastical, and the reason I wanted to try these out is because I know it's tough to find like a really good drugstore blush, but I have been using these and I love them. They're so pretty. I already do have blush on today, but you know what? No, I actually have a lot of blush on today. I was gonna say maybe I could put more on. Maybe I can. This one is in the shade Fantastical. I don't know if I already said that, but these are so pretty. They're pigmented and they're just like glowy, and they're really, really nice. I love these blushes so much. Let me just swatch this one for you. This is a really beautiful, I would say it's a satin peach shade, like a nice satin peach, great pigmentation, and they have a mirror on one side and then the blush on this side. I'm glad they don't have like a little brush right here, because those always get thrown away by me, but this is really nice to have a mirror. I should have used that to apply the blush, but I love this color. It's so, so beautiful, and I don't honestly notice the scent of these too much. So, I mean, I know that they say they are scented, but I don't notice the scent. Okay, the next color is a little bit lighter, and this is called Just Curious. And like I said, yep, it's lighter. This one is more of like a coral. This is like more of like a beige peach. And here is, like, you can see the difference on the fingers. This one's this one. And this is just a really pretty, I would say, light sort of beige peach right there. This one, it takes a little bit more building. I do love this one on the cheeks as well, but I've been wearing the first one that I showed you more, this Fantastical shade. I really like that. But this is a really great everyday shade. Okay, next up, this one is in Bashful. And this has a little bit more of a sheen to it, but I would say it's just as the same light, but it has more of a sheen. Oh, it's swatching way lighter, my bad. So this is less brown, more peachy with a little bit of a golden sheen right there. So that one is the Bashful. And then this last one is the most brown neutral, and it's in Charming. So there, that shade right there. And just so you can see the comparison, this is deeper, much, much deeper. I'm gonna put it on the outer edge over here. As you can see, it has a lot more warmth to it, but really, really beautiful for maybe medium complexion as well. If you are fair complected, I definitely think you could wear this. And then something really cool that they came out with, which I love this. This is the Voluminous Lash Paradise Liquid Eyeliner, and this is in the shade Rose Gold. Oh, you guys, this is so pretty. I can't wait to just kind of put this on and try this out and have it just be something simple on the lash line. So it is pretty pigmented, and it's really, really nice metallic. So I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, but it's right here. And it's just a really beautiful rose gold shade. They did send me it in black. So even if you wanted to do a black liquid liner and then on top of that have like a rose gold accent, that would be really beautiful. Or if you're just really not into black eyeliner on your upper lash line, you could go in with something like rose gold, and or even like in your inner tear ducts. I wonder if I can just use this right now under, like kind of like under my eye, like right here. I'm gonna do it. Sometimes I feel when I use like a lighter shade like that under my eyes, it looks like I'm crying. But I really, really like this. It's nice and bright, and I probably would need to go in with a little bit more lower lash mascara to make sure that that line is more pronounced. But these are really beautiful. That's a really pretty color in rose gold, and I like that even if I wanted to do a dot in the inner corner, detail work. So love these a lot. Check them out. So anyways, I just wanted to quickly share with you guys that I think I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave me your feedback for next month's vlog, and I would really love to know if any of you guys from last month's have tried Home Chef. I would love to know, because I have a few people who have messaged me and said that they got their first Home Chef this month and they loved it so far. So if there are any more of you who have ordered, definitely check out using that discount code, because it's really cool to be able to try it out. That's what I did when I was searching for a home like meal chef service. I tried all of them out and I used all the free codes, and that's how I saw if I liked that service or not. And that's how I stumbled across Home Chef. Is I tried it out and it was the best for me, best fit for my family, and I just loved all of the options. I thought it was the easiest, best pricing, and the meat quality is like really important to me, to have good meat quality. The steaks have been amazing, the chicken has been moist and amazing, so the meat quality is like the best for me, and that's why I like Home Chef the most. So I really encourage you guys to use the discount code so that you're able to try it out and see if it is a good fit for you, and that way you can, you know, get some free meals. So hopefully you guys had a wonderful month this month. Thank you for watching my vlog. And like I said, leave me some comments below if you have some more suggestions of what you'd like to see in future vlogs. And I will see you all in the next video. Mwah.